Alright, today's an exciting day. We were in between tuning this or this because I can't take both at the same time. Unfortunately, I can't ride two bikes at the same time. So, decided to take this one. Finally, it's going to get the Stage 2 tune from Bren. And I'm super excited to see how she's going to perform. Currently, the bike has, I think, barely like over 600 miles if I'm not wrong. I haven't ridden it in a minute too because I've been riding all the other bikes. I rode the H2 and this one. Haven't rode either of these, which I want to very soon. Yeah, 614 miles and she's already gonna get tuned. And also might go there and might film another video on his M1000RR because he has the Stage 3 Plus, which got velocity stack. He has the head gasket. He's on like race fuel or E85, which is still better than pump, so might do that over there. But for that, I am going to need an extra battery. You guys give me crap for not getting extra batteries with me. So the good thing is, look at this cool little device. You can open it. It's pretty much a portable GoPro battery charger. So I keep it in my garage and I keep one in my car because, you know, just like that. Now I have my fully charged GoPro battery. If you guys want to get this device for, I don't know, if you're going on a road trip and you want to have extra GoPro batteries that are charged, I'll leave the link down in the description below. It's a really cool, high quality device. You can also store your SD cards and whatnot. But yeah, now we have extra batteries. So that should be good. Let's get the day started, shall we? What the? I have never seen the gas this expensive here. 6.9. Ooh, that's a lot. I think the highest I've seen is like 6.5, I think. But it's usually around 6.4. That's a lot. Soon it's gonna be like $30 to fill up a bike. A few years ago, that was the price to fill up a car, like $30-40. The bike was like $10, if even. Yep, no, half a tank is $10. This used to be a full tank. I mean, yeah, price literally doubled. It used to be like $3, more than doubled actually. Oh, look at that. The light is going perfectly through. You can see the gas. I only needed a little bit. I had more than half a tank, but we are going far, so it's good to fill up. Joined by my two friends on their newer R1s. He's also getting a tune. He has a super nice loud Graves, so a tune will definitely help, especially if you have a catalyst system. I prepared. I got an earplug in one ear. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. I already did a little intro letting you know about the plan and what we're doing, but yeah, welcome back. Should be an exciting day. I'm gonna film at least one video of pretty much taking this bike to get that Stage 2 on it, and then I might, while he's doing the work on my M1000, I might take his M1000 for a spin and film a separate video on that, because his is like fully pretty much done up, you know. Like, I don't think I'll go that far with mine because simply I don't want to be running race fuel. If you do head gasket, I think you have to like run a race fuel or E85. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that, but I will definitely be eventually doing the Stage 3, which is pretty much removing the front flap, relocating the sensor, so more airflow, and also velocity stacks. So yeah, when that's ready, we're going to be doing the velocity stacks too. So we're going to have all that stuff, and obviously the tune, most important thing. So this bike has no flat spots at all. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Should be fun, and I'll keep you guys updated once we start getting there, because I don't want to kill my battery, and it's a long ride. It's over an hour away, so should be fun. At least I'm joined with some friends, so I'm not riding all the way by myself. I do gotta say though, this bike definitely feels better than the S1000RR. S1000 felt like it really needed a tune. This one feels better for sure. Like, I don't mind riding it. Like, it's still fun to ride as is. This would be fun if my tire was warmed up. Yeah, there's that flat spot. See, if that's how fast the bike is without even a tune, I'm excited to see how it is without, or with a tune. Yep, excited. I mean, because obviously, like, you guys felt that flat spot. It starts picking up after like 9,000 RPM, and also has like a little bit of a flat spot up top. So, you know, it just feels limited, restricted. Also with the tune, we're pretty much gonna be like keeping valves open on the exhaust. So this should actually sound even. That sounded good. So yeah, I was saying this should sound even better than my S1000RR, because the M1000 actually comes with acro headers. So it's definitely going to sound a little different, since the S1000 only comes with the acro slip-on. This one has a full system acro from factory. Yeah, it has cats and all, but while we're waiting for the exhaust, still, you know, it doesn't hurt to make this one sound a little bit better. So yeah, excited for that too, and I will keep you guys posted as soon as we get close to the destination. Pretty much gonna fast forward the next hour plus ride after I show you this beautiful view over here. Finally made it. It was a long but a short ride at the same time, if you know what I mean. And now it's time to tune these bikes. How are you doing? What's up?
Let's put some gas this one because I was doing it right.
Ah, yes.
While I'm ripping this thing apart, you can pick that one out too.
Perfect. Probably going a little ride after too, all of us.
Yeah, I'm good with that. I'll show you guys around.
Oh geez.
Around here?
Yep.
Two on the way, getting off the freeway.
Oh wow, I'm surprised they didn't fly. My zipper's opened up. Alright. Yeah. Should we give him another recap of pretty much what you did on this? Even though we did it on the S1000, but we'll do it again.
Yeah, we did the full stage 2 kit on here. So basically we relocated your IET to the front nose here, so we get a true temperature and ambient temperature for the motorcycle. So we're always going to get a consistent and reliable power from the bike, rather than on top of the airbox, because on top of the airbox it's going to read 120 degrees and it could be 60 degrees outside. So that pulls power from the motorcycle. So we relocated here, and with the flash it gives you more consistent and reliable power. We also did the airbox block off for the intake flappers. We removed those so we got constant flow of air rather than just at 6,000 RPM they open up. So now we got full air coming into the airbox at all times. Relocated IET sensor, and you got tuning for pump gas and ED5 if you ever want to do that. So we've got a lot of tuning here. I mean, this thing's going to be awesome. You're talking about more power, better quick shifts, better throttle response. I mean, everything's going to be...
I got a little taste from yours, so I'm so excited to now ride this.
It's going to be different. So
yeah.
what you think.
Very excited. This is going to be the first startup. It's gonna sound different because now the valves are open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you couldn't hear that little rumble back then. Super excited to ride this. In the other video, I rode his bike and did a full review on it, but he has the Stage 3 Plus, which is velocity stack, head gasket, and E85. I do have the E85 map if I wanted to, but currently I'm running pump, so I'm keeping it with pump. But in the future, I'll probably, when I get my exhaust system, I'll switch to the E85 and just do a review about it, you know, see what you guys think, and that would be fun. But right now, this should be really exciting too. We'll see. Finally, she's unlocked. Ready to go?
Like a rev?
Huh?
Yours sounds almost like mine. Sound different now?
Yeah.
Whereas,
Not as good as yours, but it does sound much better.
they're the same thing. Like,
Yeah.
if I go by mine,
Sounds good. This one sounds way better.
yours will sound like that too.
Yeah.
Alright, then those clothes on.
All right. Also, yeah, if you guys want to figure out how to do all this stuff yourself in your garage, he actually has a full video on how to do the whole, like, removing the flap, relocating the sensor and all that. It's on his channel, which I'll link in the description, but you should just look up like BT Moto, Brand Tuning Moto, you know, it should come up. But I'll link his channel. This is his channel right here for you guys to see. Check him out. Also link it in the description if you guys did want to do it yourself and didn't want to take it to the shop, because it's doable. It's not like, you know, something that you have to take it somewhere, but I'd rather, you know, the man himself do it for me and get it professionally done.